So we've had the World Series here in Easley for 22 years, but we've had the Senior League Baseball World Series for 6 years. This is our 6th year. We're super excited to have everybody here back again. So we have 6 international teams. We have 6 U.S. teams. They each play in their individual pools, and then the winners come together to see who will be the world champion. Yes, sir. We're all volunteers, and we all enjoy doing this because everyone coming from all the different countries, the 6 different countries, 7 represented here with the U.S. and all the 6 international. It's fun to meet all of the new countries, learn about everybody's culture, and get to meet all of these new people. This is such an important tournament for us. It showcases all of these young boys' talent, and it gets to introduce them all to the city of Easley here in South Carolina. And so we welcome all of the talent that comes, and we love that we get to showcase it on ESPN Plus as well. We don't just have it here in our city, but we get to share it with the world. Yes, we are so thankful for our sponsors. Adidas outfitted them all in uniforms, as well as undershirts, and then we also got sweatshirts for the boys, and then Easton gave them all bats, and Adidas also gave them some brand new cleats which look amazing. So they are ready to go, and we are so thankful for all of our sponsors for giving them all these things. And Easton gave them new bats to carry everything in as well, and a bucket of balls. Yes, so buckets of balls for them to go practice, and so we're very grateful for our sponsors and that they gift all of that to the World Series so we can give them to the boys and they don't have to worry about traveling with it, and they look nice and sharp for ESPN Plus cameras. Danke, bentiganta ora.
Danke na ATA, Ministerio de Turismo e Saúde Público, Minister Dangi Odiber. FCCA para hipotecar de casa, tá na FCCA bo miserta. FCCA tá claro para ajudar para sina cumprir com o sonho de timbo mesmo jogar. RBC, com o sponsor de Little League para hopi ano consecutivo e tá aportar na engrandecer nos deportes de beisebol e nos futuro pelotero nan. SFB, AIB, Dufri também está a aportar com os deportes de beisebol.